Welcome to Hydraulic Press channel.
Hi.
Today we are going to do your requests of last week's knife video. So let's go. And here we have magnificent collection of otter targets to duel the knives before the cards. Might also break them, but we have more knives if we break them. And I have first one here ready. Come have a look. Isn't it magnificent?
Ooh, did you build it yourself?
Yeah, I'm really
Oh,
talented.
you are so artsy.
Yeah, let's cut it. Uh-oh, will it cut or explode?
It's cutting. Ooh. You cut the board.
I think it's a bit sticky.
Yeah.
Should we try this block next?
Yeah.
I think this is super satisfying. You can have block. These are cancer hamburgers. I think I need something. This doesn't look very safe.
Right.
Ooh! Hey, let's do the brake clean.
Yeah.
And while Hanna is cleaning the knives, I can show our dice collection. If you haven't noticed, we sell CNC machined dice collection. You have all the different metals like copper, this is zirconium, this is wolfram or tungsten, and these are now a bit dirty because we have been trying weird stuff with them. But it's like display and collectible piece on your table. You can also play with them, but these are made to look nice, not play well. So especially with, let's say, tungsten dice, you are going to definitely fuck up your table. It's so heavy and sharp corners. Yeah, but that's soon ready, so let's crush.
Ooh.
Oh,
No.
okay, that's interesting. It's so long that when the knives start to go on some direction,
Yeah.
they just keep going there.
I have some balls in my hand.
Oh, it's hard. It's surprisingly hard to cut. This looks like super processed meat. I do some cubinating. Yeah, same thing again.
Yeah.
Okay, enough with the easy targets. Let's start to push things a little bit. Bring in the ball.
Ball.
And that has way too much pressure inside. It's going to be super loud. I'm going to close this.
Yeah.
I'm so nervous. Okay, here it goes. Money is the next one. This is Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe, 5,000 money. That's a lot. It might be that we don't have like too much of money here. It's going to get quite flat before it cuts probably. Yeah, it just cuts. I think this is somehow satisfying. Like you get mini money. I can't wait for the cards. It's a bit like this, but we're going to make the knives dull as I said. So then they're going to fly all over the place. It's going to be super nice. But I want to try the books now. What do you think? What is your favorite so far?
I think the first one with the Play-Doh thing.
I think the cube, the block. I think this is going to be challenging. I'm not sure can we do this.
Yeah. Oh, it went badly.
But we have two survivors. But we got it slightly. Oh! Oh! Just snapped.
But hey, this survived. You can read this.
This is also completely readable. Okay. I think we are going to try the coconut with these two. I can't see this cutting well. But you don't know before you try. Is this right orientation? Try to cut coconut. I think I'm going to make our odds better by placing it closer. Okay, here it comes. Goes. Whatever. Hey! It actually worked. I was completely sure that it's not going to work.
Let's put it sideways.
Yeah, we have to do a couple things still before the cards. super trending soap cutting stuff. I think it's going to look super nice on that one. Here it goes. Billion views. I think we have to cut a bit deeper. Slightly avoided it. Now it was a bit too deep. Okay, I have new idea. This is not a rubber band ball. You see wrongly. This is 4 hours of my editor's work here inside of this ball. Was it good work task?
I wouldn't recommend.
Wouldn't recommend. 3 out of 5 fingers hurt.
This is super satisfying.
Let's hope it's nice. It can. There's a lot of potential on this one.
Yeah, it is good.
It might still do more when I lift this up. Not much.
It looks like burn.
Was it worth of all the hours? No.
No.
But it was viewer request, so it's not my fault or Hanna's fault.
Hey.
Feels so wrong, but this is necessary. This is art. This is true art. Here it goes.
Ooh.
Bit too easy. Okay, new try after some slight grinding action. Oh. I need a hammer. I can still fix this. I do the same with our kitchen knives, like before I cut some salad or stuff like that. Let's see is my knife service. This is like high quality. Okay, let's hope that it works now. I'm afraid that we have wrong type of knives. Okay, we have fucked around and we have found out. So I put the blade here because I want to slice the cards. The knives don't work at all. And my head was up. Both of our heads were about here.
I was behind you.
Yeah. And I had safety glasses. I always have safety glasses. So it's not like dangerous, but it's stupid because it went like this.
Straight to our faces.
Yeah, but now it works. We are going to make a huge stack there, put the machine on full speed and
Then
be
we
outside
enjoy.
be outside of the bunker.
Then we enjoy.
Now it's ready. I just checked that the machine has good settings here, full speed. Let's put like 25 tons to make. Let's put 100 tons. We want to be sure that it's not going to stop no matter what. Okay.
I'm gonna take my earmuffs off so I
Yeah,
can
so
hear
we can enjoy the sound.
with all our senses. Yay! What a
That was
mess.
amazing. I just realized that it didn't go with the full speed because the cards flew through the
Yeah, it was
light
all
curtain.
constantly
It was
slow
worried
with-
that somebody's putting something in, didn't realize that the stuff is coming out. But that was amazing.
It was still nice.
And why we need to use this is the fact that you have to crush the cards. So when they get cut, the crushed cards are like a
Yeah.
spring and they throw the things out.
Yeah.
If you have knife, you can push hard enough, the knife is going to break. And we tried even with the axe. And even this, we just bent the handle, didn't work. Yeah, next week we are going to do something else, but the knife holder 5 million is going to return, that's sure. Yeah, but that is all for today.
Thank you for watching.
And have a nice day.